Hey everybody, this is Shawn Marie Freeman, your dedicated realtor with Realty ONE Group Restore, and I'm here to give you a market trends for Norristown, Pennsylvania, 19403. Happy New Year. It's 2024. It's going to be a great year for real estate and it's going to be a great year for you. So don't forget that. As of December 2023, we've seen some interesting shifts in the real estate market. So I'm going to share with what's going on in Norristown, PA, 19403. So as far as inventory, it is low. Right now, there's a 0.87 month supply. And we've lost inventory has decreased over the last 12 months, like a negative 25.64%. So that pretty much means houses are selling fast. When something comes on the market in the Norristown area, it's selling within 14 days. And sellers are getting 100% of their asking price. So if you're a seller, that puts you in a great position. And if you're a buyer, we just have to negotiate correctly so we can get you into your dream home. The median price for homes in the Norristown area, 19403, is $380,000. That's the median price of all the homes in our area. There could be some higher, there could be some lower, but for whatever reason, that is the median price. So if you're thinking about buying or selling this year, just know that me, your dedicated realtor, can help you navigate the selling process or the buying process if you're considering in the Norristown area, 19403. So thank you for your attention and your time. Again, make 2024 go get more. And one of those things you can get more of is real estate with Shawn Marie Freeman, your dedicated realtor. I'll talk to you soon. Remember, life happens in real estate. Bye.